It's already aired. Tough luck. But I was there, so I remember that.
And because of the finale, I started thinking, do you remember that Dean used to have an amulet? Amulet.
Yes. I only worked for like 4 years. Okay, so what?
Do you think that it will ever appear again?
Will it ever return?
Yes, will have any meaning, maybe?
I don't know. It was, it was such a part of Dean's kind of costume for so long, and it never really had a meaning. I think a lot of people wanted to know what does it mean, what does it mean, what does it mean. So Kripke, he had the idea of coming up with the story behind Amulet, which you all remember from a few seasons ago. And I think when Dean finally took off the amulet and tossed it in the trash can, that was the end of that scene. So theoretically, Sam could have picked it out of the trash can and kept it with him, and it could come into play later. I don't know, but I would say that it's things in Supernatural are never ever dead.